How to use Liberty Mutual's RightTrack program. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can use Liberty Mutual's RightTrack program. For that, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to libertymutual.com/RightTrack. Once you're on this website, you first of all want to sign up for the RightTrack program. To do so, tap on the sign up option, or you can also reach out to your Mutual Liberty agent to sign up to RightTrack. Once you're here, you want to enter your zip code and then tap on the Start My Quote option. Now, you also want to download the Liberty Mutual mobile app on your device. Then you want to log into the Liberty Mutual app with all of your credentials. Now, the RightTrack program typically monitors your driving for 90 days. The device or app will collect data on various driving behaviors, including braking habits, acceleration patterns, time of the day you drive, and miles driven. You can use the app to monitor your progress. The app will show you your driving score and potential discount based on your driving behavior. Regularly review the feedback and report to understanding which driving behaviors to improve. At the end of the monitoring period, which is after 90 days, Liberty Mutual will analyze the collected data. Based on your driving performance, you will receive a discount on your insurance premium. This discount can be up to 30% and is applied for the life of the policy as long as you remain insured with Liberty Mutual. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.